Hello, assalamu alaikum. In the last video, actually, we practiced or we tried to learn some functions of stat and math function, right? So here is a small sample data set. There are three data sets are in here, right? One is the sample sales data set, and the customer satisfaction data set, and another is the marketing data set. So here you will find several questions, right? Based on this data set, you have to answer these questions. Actually, I put for the learning purpose, I put or gave the hints where we can use the or when we can use what types of function, right? But in the exam hall, in the how can I say, when you give the interview or when you are a data analyst, you will not get these types of um, hints, right? But for learning purpose, actually, I put these types of hints, and here you will see the uh, results, but we will practice right now, right? Okay. On the other hand, it's same here. There are some lots of questions based on this data. We'd like to calculate, or we would like to solve these types of answer, right? Here we can see what is the prospective benefit, right? Here is all the answers, but we will investigate more in this column, right? Okay. Same in this data set. Actually, this is the marketing data set. For example, sample. So in this data set, we have four columns. One is the date column, then daily sales volume, units sold volume, and ad spend, right? So oh, okay. Ad spend, right? Okay. So first one, calculate total monthly sale. So how is the sale? This is the daily sale, right? So monthly sale, it means summation of all these value, right? Answer. Okay. So this is the answer. I can make it a more, okay, this color, right? So if I make it, for example, quite a little bit large, it's quite good, right? Okay. So here's the answer. Okay. So equal sum, first parenthesis. For example, click here, Control Shift arrow down arrow, right? So bracket close, enter. Please see here. This is the this is the total sale, right? Calculate the monthly total sale. On the other hand, second, find the average daily sale. Average daily sale. Same, equal to equal average, right? Using the average function, equal daily sale means we're talking about this variable. Control Shift down arrow, bracket close, and enter, right? So this is the average daily sale. Identify the day with the highest sale, right? Identified the day with the highest sale, it means I need to calculate the max value, right? So equal max, right? This is the max value. So daily sale. So within these 30 days, which day actually we sold maximum value? So this one, where, so if I go to the conditional format, for example, equal, how is equal to 474,772, right? So we can make it a green color, right? So green color. So in this 7th January, actually sale was too high, right? On the other hand, count the day with sales over 4,000. So I need to calculate the number of day where the sale volume was more than 9,000, right? Okay. So equal count if function, calculus range criteria. So this one, right? These are the range criteria, and comma criteria is equal to greater than 4,000. Okay, greater than 4,000. How many values? 9 value. Please see here. For example, you can select this one, right, and go to the conditional formatting, highlight it, greater than 4,000. Greater than 4,000. Okay, so I can make it right red text. Okay, red border, yellow. Okay, yellow. So please calculate here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in total, the 9. Okay. So here is another question. What is this? The correlation, right? Check the correlation between the ad spend and the sell volume, right? Okay, ad spend and sell volume. So we are talking about two variables, ad spend and sold volume. It means the this one. Okay, so if I go here, for example, equal Corel, see here, Corel, right? So right now, then he's saying the array one, add spend. Okay, array one is equal to add spend, right? And put the comma. So array two to daily sale, right? Daily sale, and then bracket close and enter. So the correlation between the ad spend and daily sales volume is 17%, right? So it's not good, right? It's not bad actually. Okay, standard deviation measure daily sales variability, right? So standard deviation equal to STD EV dot S, standard deviation, right? Standard deviation number one. What is this daily sale value, right? So daily sale, that's the standard variation. Okay, this is the standard variation, right? So if you make it okay, that's great. So in this way we can solve this problem, right? On the other hand, customer satisfaction, oh my god, the customer satisfaction is, I need to put it quite a bit large. Okay, so here we will put the answer, right? So we can make it a central board and in this way. Okay, or I can make I change this one. Okay, so average, calculate average satisfaction score. This is the satisfaction score. So equal uh, average, right? Satisfaction score, it means this one, control shift arrow down, close, enter. This is the average satisfaction, right? So make it 15, average satisfaction. So if the satisfaction score is from 1 to 5, so it's less than 3 is the median, right? So average score is less than the median value, right? On the other hand, count positive feedback. What is the positive feedback? This one is the feedback, neutral, negative, positive. I would like to count the positive feedback. Okay, count if, right? Bracket close, range. Which is the range? This one is the range, right? Okay, range and comma, then need to fix the criteria. What's the fixed criteria? Positive. Okay, positive, bracket close. Okay, it means only 10 positive feedback from this 30, right? So there are some others positive. Median, I would like to calculate the median value, right? So median value is response time. What is the response time? This is the response time, minimum, right? Minimum response time. Okay, equal median, and then just select this, control shift arrow, bracket close, enter. This is the median value. Okay, determine the mode. Okay, sometimes ago in the last lecture we saw the mode. Okay, the what is the mode? Mode, determine the most common satisfaction score. Determine the most common satisfaction score. Okay, equal mode, right? Equal mode satisfaction score. This is the satisfaction score. Bracket close and enter. So we get find. It means maximum of the customer do not satisfy, right? Because the mode they frequently use the dissatisfaction, right? Standard deviation actually the standard variability in the satisfaction score. Okay, equal STDEV dot S, standard deviation. So number, which number? Satisfaction score. This is the satisfaction score variable. Bracket close and enter. So this is the we can make it, oh sorry, we can make it more concise. Okay, percentile, find the 19th percent to respond. 19th percent, please see here, percentile. So response time, so this is the response time, right? 90%. Okay, equal percentile, TILE, percentile. So array, it's asking for array, right? So this is the array. So array, and after the comma you need to get the percentile value, right? Okay, 90%, it means 0.0, sorry, 0.9. This is the 90%, right? This is the 90 percentile. If you'd like to investigate the 80 percentile, so 0.8, right? This is the 18th 80% trial. Okay, if flag low satisfaction, flag low satisfaction score, right? So flag low satisfaction score, uh flag low satisfaction score, actually, where is it C2 is less than C2. For example, here this is the satisfaction score, right? So if the satisfaction score is less than the median value, we can say it's not I mean, need the follow-up satisfaction or follow-up need, right? On the other hand, they are satisfied. Okay, so if we calculate here equal to, for example, if equal if logical test from here to here, right? Logical test, comma, sorry, is less than 3, right? Okay, then value is true. True, it means need improvement. Need improvement, right? Bracket close, comma, true value. Otherwise satisfied, right? Satisfied. Okay, so bracket close, enter. Okay, so it means actually it's all the values are in here, right? Oh my god. So here this one, first one is this one, so satisfied, right? Okay, so and here is see all these value it takes, right? So if I calculate only one value satisfaction rate, there's only one value satisfaction rate is satisfied. Please see here, this is the satisfaction is greater than 3, right? If it is the less than 3, for example 4, sorry, 2, you will see here need improvement, right? Can you please see here the need improvement, right? And on the other hand, all the values change because of this. Okay, 5. Okay. Uh, and now average if, actually we saw it in the last correlation, we saw some ifs we saw in the last uh, topics, sorry, last lecture, right? Okay, marketing data set, same actually, count, average, maximum, count if, standard deviation. There is, here is the result I already calculated, right? So for your learning purpose, for your practice purpose, I'm not doing doing the solution, right? So using this data set, or you can make a dummy data set as per your own style, right? And after that, you can calculate this, or you can answer these questions as per your own style, right? So please do practice at your home. Okay, this is this all of the practice of math function and stat function. This all are the using the sample data set. This are all are the dummy data set, actually it's not the real data set, right? So if you have any more questions on this lecture or tutorial, so let me know by making comments, right? On the other hand, you okay, just put your comments in the comments box, otherwise it's quite difficult to check the email or my WhatsApp, because continuously I'm getting lots of emails. So most time actually, or majority of time actually, I missed something. So it would be better if you have any question to make it in a, or put it in a how can I say, comment box, right? So you can give more suggestion if you need to, if you are intent to know more functions, so just let me know, right? Okay, thank you very much to see or learn these types of Excel, because it will when you are seeing this, it definitely means that you are very much enthusiastic to learn the Excel, right? So very much congratulations to you. To be honest, this lecture will help you in your life for a long time, right? Okay, so after the next lecture or next video, Allah Hafiz, keep me in your prayers. If you have any more questions, once again, write it in the comment box. I will try my best to give the easiest solution or best solution for your learning purpose, or your so up to that, or up to the next video. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.